What's going on, guys? So in today's episode we're going to be adjusting the e-brake. I never adjusted it when I did the conversion in the back, so now's the time to do it. First we're going to go ahead and remove the center console. The center console is out, so let's get started with the e-brake adjustment. So it's going to be 13 millimeter. I got a socket and then an open-end wrench for the bottom. Alright guys, so we're going to start out by breaking these two apart. And then go ahead and tighten this one down. Tighten this until it's not loose. Alright, that seems pretty good. We go ahead and torque these two back together. And that'll be good for that.